Before temperatures inch any higher, get a system tune-up from the Comfort Guy. The heating and cooling specialists at RS Mechanical back their work with a 6-month guarantee. Regular maintenance can prevent equipment breakdowns and save you up to 30% on your energy bill. Protect your home and family from the heat and save money on your energy bill. For maintenance, service, repairs, and replacement comfort systems, call RS Mechanical Services, home of the Comfort Guy. Call 302-8956 or visit comfortguy.com.